she comes to get her helmet, and I want to see her reaction.
Oh, wow.
You look pretty today. Look at you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, wow.
Don't bring no money out yet. You check this out and tell me what you think.
Oh, I'm putting my glasses
You put your glasses on?
Oh, wow. Oh, I like it.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Okay, okay.
Beautiful. You really did it. Yeah.
I did a burgundy. That's your bike color. I don't know if it's exact.
Yeah.
And then it's just a subtle pattern on there. It's not just flowers, but it's just subtle.
Yeah.
But I had to, put a little flame.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
Too bad you got your hair all puffy and stuff. You can put it on, but that's okay.
I can still put it on.
I closed it up. I'm glad you like it. Girl, this is the first time of me not knowing what I'm doing. Ooh, you took me through something. You understand me? Hot damn. Look, y'all, look.
Definitely.
Yeah, you be riding this style.
Hi. It's all right.
Okay, thank you. Don't fall.
Yeah.
I ain't got no money.
I love it. You're so silly. I love it.
Good. And it look good on you. And you're going to look good on that bike.
Yeah. Yes.
Thumbs up, y'all. Thumbs up.
Definitely.
Thank you, Nancy.
Yeah.
I'll work on the next one. Later.
Mm-hmm.